Beautiful old diesel train behind me. This is what we call the diesel multiple unit. It's the actual engine combined with the carriage. Absolutely real bit of nostalgia here. And if we look over there, I'm going to show you an old underground train. And that looks like one of the old Bakerloo line underground stock. I remember going to school on them. Diesels and catch my train. Yeah, it's great. Must be a great job driving these, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Simple, wouldn't they?
Yes.
Them new things now shoot like rockets.
Yeah, the new things have got like a joystick
yeah.
control rod.
But the steam was something else, wasn't it, as well?
Yeah, this replaced a lot of the steam.
Yeah.
There.
I love these old things.
Yeah.
And the smell brings back memories.
Mechanics. Anything mechanical is easier. Now
yeah.
Software.
Getting ready for takeoff. I better get on. I think that's one of the old London Underground ones. So you get the lovely smells, the sounds, vibrations here. Something you don't get on these new modern, horrible rocket trains. It's got a lovely nostalgic feel. Hear that engine now, growling, roaring. Takes you back, doesn't it? Good memories. And the old no smoking sign there. On all the modern trains, a lot of the seats are plastic. Here you get a good foot of cushion there, look. They'd be slashed up. We haven't been to Epping Forest, have we? We'll have to come down here. Can you camp in down here? You can't camp here, can you? Nice river over there. Get out.
Today we've got the emergency tap thing that they put on when you're doing braking and right. So we come down here and
There's supposed to be a training session today, an induction session, and then volunteers.
Right. Some of you